Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up iPhone camera for good pictures. Good iPhone photos depend on correct camera settings and proper shooting habits. You can improve clarity, lighting, and detail with a few simple adjustments. These steps will help you set up your camera for better results. To begin, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Camera. Turn on Grid for better framing. Enable HDR or High Dynamic Range by going to Record Video, then toggle HDR Video if available. Now go to Formats, set formats to high efficiency for better quality storage use. Now go to Preserve Settings. Turn on Preserve Settings if you want consistent camera settings. Now open the camera app. Clean your camera lens before shooting. Use the photo mode for everyday shots. Tap on the screen to focus manually. You can slide up or slide down to adjust exposure. Avoid digital zoom. Just move closer instead. Use natural lighting whenever possible. Hold your phone steady or use a tripod for sharp images. Tip: good lighting and a clean lens usually improve photo quality more than any setting adjustment. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.